Hi all, it's Ruth here from Gothic Decay. I thought today I could show you how I use my Crop-A-Dile, again no sponsorships, just what I've got, to make holes and add these little washeries, not washers, whatever they're called, little thingamies, little holes, eyelets, that's the word I'm looking for. So what I've done is I've put the approximate positioning in so that I know what sort of distance I'd like them to be apart, making sure they're all straight and where they're supposed to be. And then I've just put, with a black pen, a little dot. Probably can't see it very well. Let's find a good one. There we go. So that I know exactly where they're going to be. So the Crop-A-Dile makes holes, as you can see with this one here, or smaller holes with that one there. And then you can turn it over to here to add in this mechanism here that will squish the eyelet into position. So I want it onto the largest setting to make the big holes, so just double check there that it will do that. Now we'll turn this round. This is a finished piece of embroidery, so let's hope this works, otherwise we'll be looking a little bit silly and you'll all get to see it. So we shall now cut the holes. Can you all see that? Yeah. There we go. So line up your dot with the little mechanism just there. Start at this end, make it easy for me. See if you can still, no, you can't still see that. There we go. Let's move you over there. So we'll just check to see approximately where it will be. Pop it under there and give it a good old-fashioned squidge. As you can see, it's gone through an awful lot of fabric because it's all backed and everything, but it does do a very good job. It's the only one of these eyelet machines that I've actually managed to get to actually work. Of any note, they normally just sort of bend and don't really make holes. So that's two. There's the other dot just there. Don't worry if it goes through the stitching, because if you were doing nice tidy embroidery then it would matter, but as you can see, mine is all not the tidy embroidery, there's all threads, things, so it's not going to matter at all if there's a little bit sticking out. There we go. And the final one. There we go. So you can see all the holes at the top, and they are at the top. Always going to double check before you've done them, obviously. So now I've had a look at my instructions, and these are 3/16 eyelets, and so I need, it's on the correct setting, because these sort of twist round and you can add different ones in. So there we go, for different size eyelets. These are the eyelets I've got here. Kind of nice combination of slightly yucky colours, which I find quite useful, being Gothic Decay and all. So I shall now try and find where I left them. Over here. Now I don't know why, but I like to put them alternately, so there are two slightly different colours. There's sort of more brassy ones and more coppery ones. So I think it's brassy, coppery, coppery, brassy, brassy. There we go. So not forgetting to move this back to here. Pop this through the hole that we've just made. Now, fingers crossed, pray to everybody you know. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background being naughty. Pop it in position and give it another really good squidge. And hopefully, no it hasn't. I think it's because there's a lot of fabric through there, but it is just about tight enough to hold. I'll just pop it through again just to make sure. But this is always nice, you get to see me make the mistakes, so it's fun for you. There we go, pop this one in. See, there's this backing fabric, this is also folded over so that there's 2 layers of backing, then there's this cream layer of fabric, and then there's probably about 3 layers of other bits, so it's pretty miraculous if it works at all. There we go. See, it's just a bit more elbow grease, just, where are we? Through the hole. There we go. few more. You can see all the bits that it's cut out now coming off all over the place. Oops, no, that one's got stuck. Okay. Just made sure that, see, it's just turned that bit round there, so we need to make sure it's still on the right setting, which I think we are now. Back through there, final one. Then you're ready to string pieces of ribbon or threads or whatever you like to through the top and attach it with something like a piece of copper pipe. That's what I was intending to do, and just string it from there. So that's how to use your CropADile. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please feel free to subscribe and visit gothicdecay.com to see more pieces like this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.